Hi all, how are you? Yes, it is quite a long time after a long break I'm coming here. But see, I am here in a beautiful place. I am here in Kerala. And to be specific, I am in the northern part of Kerala. And that part's name is Kannur. I am here for a few days. So on a fine evening, we thought of visiting the beaches of Kannur. Here there are a lot of beaches. This district is known for its beaches. In Kerala, it is here in Kannur. You can see nearly five beaches. Among them, Payyambalam beach of Kannur is very famous. So right now, to enjoy a fine evening, I am here at Payyambalam beach. So this Payyambalam beach is worth a visit, for it is known as one of the cleanest and most spectacular beaches in Kerala. It is situated in God's own country, and it is just 2 kilometers away from Kannur town. Here you can enjoy a grand vacation with friends and family and give a pleasing delight to your eyes with a heart-stopping view of the gigantic sea along the coastline. Surfing, parasailing, windsurfing, swimming, scuba diving, and fishing are some of the chief attractions alluring both locals and tourists to this beach. On the way, I saw a lot of resorts and spas. Here you can spend 2 or 3 days and enjoy the sea breeze, and the golden sand of this beach. Yes, this is a perfect location, a supreme site of respite for revitalizing your mind and body. A lot of people have the doubt how to reach this place. So if you are coming by air, the nearest airport is the Kannur International Airport. The distance traveled to reach the destination, that is the beach, is 30 kilometers from the international airport. Okay. And if you're coming by train, the nearest railway station is Kannur railway station. So from Kannur railway station, it will be just 2 kilometers to the Payyambalam beach. You can take any vehicle from the railway station and come directly to the beach. That is, the beach is just 2 kilometers away from Kannur town. This place is conveniently located in the middle of the city and is a large stretch of golden sand filled by coconut greenery. This favorite hangout for locals is best known of all Kannur beaches. Earlier, the entrance to the beach was a bit odd, but now they cleared all that entrance way. Now it is easy for anyone to get into the beach. Earlier, there was a small walking bridge over a small canal, and that was considered as the main access. But now they give another entrance which is easy so that people can easily enter the beach area. And next to that beach, there is a small park. There are a lot of monuments commemorate the lives of political leaders who belong to Kannur. You can also see burial place of Tia community. Just those who are an enthusiast or those who are excited while seeing water can come to this beach and enjoy those evenings, fine evenings and calm mornings on this golden beach. See how people are enjoying their evenings. This is an evening time, so a lot of people are coming in fogs. They're coming and enjoying this beach, calm and quiet nature of this beach. Families will really enjoy this beach. Yes, this beach is good for swimming and sunbathing. However, it is one of those places that make you feel to confined to local dressing code. If you come to Kannur, you can even spend several days on the beach. You can go to the Ejara beach strip, the Minkunnu beach, Kiranna beach, Thotada beach, Murapilanga drive-in beach. Yes, there is no scarcity of beaches in Kannur. Here, your calm mornings and fine evenings will get a reason to smile. Hushed and isolated, this beach is a key tourist destination and has the distinction of being a hotspot for shooting prominent films and advertisements. The extravagance of sandy beach and clear blue Arabian Sea is intermingled in the Payyambalam beach. A flat lateral cliff in the sea provides a picturesque and extraordinary striking sight. Try to visit this place at least once. It will be a memorable experience for you. Yes, this land of white shores will be a perfect spot for unwinding and relaxation. If you want to indulge yourself in stunning sunset views, then this beach could be your preferred point as it offers unparalleled views of the sea. One of the major attractions of this beach, other than its natural splendor, is a majestic sculpture of a child and his mother by renowned artist Kannur. The sculpture is situated in the lush garden, which is a part of the beach area, as I mentioned earlier. This garden also houses monuments of some eminent personalities like Svedeshabhimani Ramakrishna Pillai, A.K. Gopalan, K.G. Marar, and Pamban Madhavan. No wonder. The beach is a huge draw for people who want to know more about the above mentioned names. Yes, this is a place that can rejuvenate you spiritually. The beach is an abode of serenity and beauty. Try to visit this vibrant and bustling Payyambalam beach at least once. Hope you enjoyed my video. I'll be back with more interesting videos. Thank you.